Welcome to our YouTube channel Sethiswiftlearn. In today's session, laws of motion +1 physics. Further concepts on these will be cleared using illustrations taken from JEE Main. In earlier, we have studied free body diagram on different bodies. You can review on Sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I will also request go through all these concept killing videos for JEE Main, CUT and other entrance examination. In addition to this, these are very important for NEET exam. You can review that on Sethiswiftlearn. Now, let's start with the questions. Question is, a light string passing over a smooth light pulley connects two blocks of masses m1 and m2. m2 is greater than m1. If the acceleration of the system is g by root 2, then ratio of the masses m1 upon m2 is. Now in this case, this is the pulley. One is mass is this. One is mass is this. One is mass this. Which is greater? m2 is greater than m1. Say this is m2. This is m1. m2 is greater than m1. A smooth pulley is there. Now, free body diagram. Answer of this can be given in 1 minute, not less than 1 minute, but I will clear the complete concepts. m1, m2. This is m1, this is m2. Free body diagram means pick up one of the body, draw all the forces acting on it due to the remaining part of the system. So, m2g, this comes out to be T. In this case, m1g, this comes out to be T. As both masses are connected with same string, will have same tension, right? And direction of tension will be always away from the body, such that to tighten the string and not to lose. This is the essential condition. And as m2 is greater than 1, so body will move. If it will move, it will move in this direction. Say acceleration is, say, this will move in this direction. Okay. Right? Then, net force. It is moving upward. T minus m1g equal to m1a. This is equation 1. And in this case, body is coming downward. m2g minus T equal to m2a. This is equation 2. On simplifying these two, acceleration comes out to be m2 minus m1 upon m1 plus m2 into g, right? m2 minus m1 into g. Now, according to question, this is the direct formula. We can use direct formula. You should know it. Next, according to question, A is given g by root 2. Therefore, substituting this m2 minus m1 or m2 plus m1 into g equal to g by root 2. This goes by C and D. C and D means by component of dividendo. By C and D, component of dividendo. That is A over B equal to C upon D equal to A plus B over A minus B equal to C plus D or C minus D, right? Now in this case, M2 minus M1 minus M1 plus M2 plus M1 upon M2 minus M1 minus M2 minus M1 equal to 1 plus root 2 upon 1 minus root 2. 1 minus root 2. This goes, M1 goes to twice M2 upon, in this case, M1, M2 goes, this is right, minus twice M1 equal to root 2 plus 1 and minus root 2 plus 1. Therefore, M1 over M2 क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore, M1 over M2 this will become the numerator part. Negative से sign multiply कर दो तो root 2 minus 1 over root 2 plus 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. Answer is, this is the correct answer. Right? Now in this case, shortcut is unbalanced force. Unbalanced force means difference of the masses. Shortcut. Shortcut. Acceleration will be equal to unbalanced force divided by the total mass. Unbalanced force क्या होगा? एक नीचे डाउन कर रहा है, एक अप डाउन कर रहा है, तो डिफरेंस ऑफ द मासेस. तो which is greater in this case? M2 is greater than M2. M2 minus M1 difference is M2 minus M1 into G upon total mass. इसके इक्वल टू G put कर दी, that will be the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, a wooden block initially at rest on the ground is pushed by a force which increases linearly with time. Which of the following curve best describe acceleration of the block with time? 4 options are given to you. One of option is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2024. Answer of this question can be given orally, but before giving the answer, I will explain certain basic concepts and nature of graphs, which you can go through. Right? Now, at x-axis given time, y-axis given acceleration, right? Now, y varies linearly to x, linear to x, according to question. If this is the case, straight line passing through 0, 0. Region initially at rest. Otherwise, y equal to mx plus c. Y intercept may be there. There, right? Second, y equal to constant. Line parallel to x-axis. Y square proportional to x. Y square proportional to x. The nature is left-handed or right-handed, depending on the nature of constant proportionality. X square proportional to y. Nature is upward or downward, depending on the constant of proportionality. Next, y proportional to 1 by x, that is rectangular hyperbola. These are the general nature of graphs. Now come to the question. In this case, A is proportional to T. This is the correct answer, right? In this case, if A proportional to KT plus C, at T equal to certain values there, then this was the answer. In this case, A proportional to constant, then this was the answer. In this case, this is parabola like this. This is upward. In this case, T square y proportional to t square, right? This was the nature. What is rectangular hyperbola? Rectangular hyperbola is अगर a and t equal to constant है, then this is a rectangular hyperbola. Means xy equal to constant. Then this is a rectangular hyperbola. I have discussed everything. This is the correct answer in this case. Correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, a particle moves in xy plane under the influence of a force F, such that its linear momentum is Pt, that is equal to I cos kt minus j sin kt. If k is a constant, the angle between the vectors F and P will be. Now, angle between two vectors is given by angle between two vectors is given by cos theta equal to a magnitude b magnitude upon a magnitude b magnitude, where a dot b equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, where a is a1i plus a2j plus a3k, b vector is b1i plus b2j plus b3k, and magnitude A is equal to under root a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square, and magnitude B equal to b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. Now in this case, one vector is given to you, second vector is not known to you. Second vector can be determined, rate of change of momentum is the force. To find second vector that is F. F equal to is rate of change of momentum, that is dp by dt. Therefore differentiating, given नाम है इसमें I cos kt minus j sin kt, right? Differentiating it. Now you know d by dx of sin of ax plus b equal to a cos bx plus c, and d by dx of cos of ax plus b equal to minus a sin of ax plus b. On this case, I minus k sin of kt I minus k sin of kt j, right? Now f vector is known, p vector is known. Means a and b both vectors are known. First of all, find f dot p. F dot p will be equal to I a1, this is a1 with sin a2, a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 k component is two dimensional, that is xy plane. a1, a2 cos of kt into k sin of kt with negative sign plus minus k sin of kt plus minus k, this comes out to be cos of kt, cos of kt. तो minus minus plus हो गया, sin cos minus, this all cancel out, this comes out to be 0. Now as f dot p equal to 0, therefore angle between f and p equal to pi by 290 degrees the angle. C is the correct option, right? Simple question लगाया इसमें. Angle between two vectors should be known to you. One vector is given to P, and rate of change of momentum is the force. For differentiated, find the force vector, find the angle between the vectors using the dot product formula, right? Now, I will request if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.